You gotta know your special tries if you guys want to be able to solve these. Now, notice in the directions it says find the exact answers. You're not doing this with a calculator or anything like that. We should be able to use these guys if it's asking to find exact solutions. So we have our 30, 60, 90, which include the sides. Let's see, this one would be n rad 3, and 2n. Okay. One way that helps me remember this is that on the 30-degree side, that gets the rad 3. 3, 3. That's how I remember that, but that's just me. Then the 45, 45, 90 goes n, and this one's n rad 2. Now, if you know these templates, you can come to any special triangle and solve for the sides. Now, which template am I going to use for this triangle? 30, 60, 90 or the 45, 45, 90? 30, 60, 90, right? You see it's 60 degrees right here. So let's set up our equations. We're going to say that each of these sides equals one of the sides on our template. Okay, so which side right here equals 16 rad 3? N rad 3, because it's opposite of the 60, or you could say it's on the 30-degree side. Okay, so it's opposite of 60, so you write N rad 3. What would the Y equal? That'd be 2N or N2. And what would the X equal? That'd be the N. So how do we find the X and the Y? Well, we have to know what N is in order to do that. And this is the only equation that we can solve because there's only one variable here. And so we're going to solve for the N. To do that, I'm going to divide by rad 3 because rad 3 and N are multiplying to each other. What's the opposite of multiply? Divide out. Rad 3 divided by rad 3 is 1. And so we have N times 1. And then rad 3 divided by rad 3 is 1. So we get 16. So now we have what N is. So what is X? 16. That one is 16. And what will Y be? 32. Yeah, you have to go 16 times 2. So you get 32. You can actually plug in the 16 if you want. And you get 32. So that's how you find the missing sides using special triangles.